The only thing better than a toasted croissant is a toasted croissant filled with cheese. The good news is that you can easily do that using store-bought plain croissants. They come in large plastic containers referred to as clamshell containers. Because they hold about a dozen croissants, I store the container in the freezer. To make a cheese croissant, you need to slice it in two horizontally. The fact that they're frozen comes in handy. They're very easy to cut from frozen, leaving almost no crumbs. I transfer the sliced croissants on a metal tray and into the oven. Then I proceed to cut and shred the cheddar cheese I'm using here. When the croissants are toasted and crispy, I remove the tray from the oven. Then I separate the two halves and top each one with shredded cheese. I'm using cheddar cheese here, but you can use any cheese you like as long as it melts when heated. Before returning the tray to the oven, you have to change the setting to broil. When the cheese is melted, remove the tray from the oven and place the tops back on the croissants. The two sides stick together because of the melted cheese that acts as a glue. They are ready to enjoy as soon as they cool down a little. What a delight! Enjoy!